Today, I won $545 with this exact strategy that I use every single day in the stock market. This strategy is so powerful, I have been using it for many years now, because when you learn this strategy, it will generate forever, because markets always do the same. This strategy will allow you to make profits in the first 20 minutes of the markets or even less. First of all, you will need a chart like this, a 2 minutes chart of any stock, a 20 simple moving average and a 200 simple moving average. Then what you are going to do is to look for stocks that in the pre-market are in a narrow state. A narrow state is formed when your 20 moving average and your 200 moving averages and your last 45 minutes price of the end of the day are very close to each other. Here I show you some examples. This is a narrow state in Apple, this is a narrow state in Amazon, and this is a narrow state in Nvidia. So after you have your narrow state stock, you will wait for the opening session of New York. Then you are going to look for stocks that are opening right above or below your narrow state with a first 2-minute candle being strong and big to the upside or to the downside. What you have to know is when this happens, the odds to continuing up or down are 85%. Isn't it powerful? And yes, it happens all the time, every single day, and all you have to do is to recognize those narrow state stocks. Now, after you have your narrow state stock with a powerful first 2 minutes bar in the opening, when do you get it? You get in the moment the price goes one tick higher or lower than the powerful bar. Here's some examples. Here in Apple, the stock opens with a powerful bar to the downside. When do we enter? Yes, that's right. We enter one tick below that bar, and the stop is going to be in the upside of that bar. So this means every single time you take a trade, you are going to lose only 1 bar, but the best part is you are winning 3 or 5 or 10 bar. Now that you enter and stop loss, where do you take profits? Okay, you will wait for at least 3 pushes to the downside. In this case, once you see the price does 3 pushes or makes a strong bear bar, you can take all of your profits, or you can take 50%, put break even, and then let the other 50% ride even lower. Isn't it powerful? You already took some profits and now you cannot lose. That is real and professional trading.